gets kind of old hearing people say normal people can't have Malinois. What is a normal person? I got 4 of them. I'm a normal person. I work a 9 to 5. I'm a truck driver. My wife works a 9 to 5. Got plenty of land for dogs to run on. Maybe it's just the people who can raise a dog, period. Malinois just takes orders and absorbs it way faster than any other dogs, in my opinion. Repetition, simple obedience. When you're feeding a dog, make them do certain things like this. Make them go into a sit, stay. Give them a command. You see the focus? You hear the whining? That's spray drive. He knows that he has to do something to get his food. That's what we target. Eat. That's simple.